che wanie me hwe Kwaku Manu TV na Kwaku Manu ya spell no ROCB TV aggressive.
Amanfo wo ye mo son for me din di Kwaku Manu bit my friend me Bob na de siga na so 111666 I love you I kiss you. Hey, we taste way more school scantan and gaga aggressive interview everywhere is a was it can come aggressive. Did they be a wit me chinchina ye juma swati ase na de ne san na echewa na wo bra na waye mra na gusua na wo kwa obakwa akoda wati ase but ene so ye ba be din komo our aggressive interview so ye ne DKB and then ye be twetwe komo aggressive everywhere is a was it can come but depend your story. Me patcho medical catch us wo New York nkwade a obetima opeso call school for live out adwuma the here say obeko school no my the number be ma me patcho fresa no ma no na wetimi akọ school just 2 weeks we na adodode e wo mu no wakọ akọje aye 914-310-8509 914-310-8509 me patcho ofra and one say wako school no na mum no obi o ma no wako school na wie kura ne set nenso baby a wo ye adwuma no ana wo nyanya baby kura wo ye adwuma baby so wo ye adwuma na bia na ho so wani nye ho mpe ne srew we ofre number ya mede ma wo ya eye quick and fast and one say wa ma adwuma ye dey aye 347 334 9455 347 334 9455 ofre pe baby a we adwuma no se ho ompe wakatua nye ofra ha na kwase me be ma wadwuma aye. This is aggressive interview everywhere is a worse it can come aggressive ma vada better ma me den chiama baby bia owo ye twan ho ye koba ye din komo many other for one na wasomasene no aye Prophet Joseph Mensah Bible akwapa no kwafo ono ne hwehwemu ne de wo the Bible ene ye hwehwemu efa ni padua ho se ye kase obi the Bible eye hwehwemu a aye Joseph Mensah na de me kan obi wo ma adwuma wo ye no sabi wo de ohun se ye wo adwuma na so bekom na de bia nko ade obi ye nyamfaso no na nko akwa na de ka ene eba enti Prophet Joseph Mensah say bra no on for Bible enye hwehwemu mfama oba na woware no woye oyere bema no oye okunu akonto na otu ebeboa wo anase emoa wo yade be na aye nko a yako a enko na so wachine ya hifie sika wo se bra no on for Bible a ye kan enye hwehwemu mfama na oba wo sa ya bibiduro a de wo hwehwe bia no Awurade be fa no so ama de wo pe won sa ye den aka eto se Prophet Joseph Mensah Bible akwapa no kwafo me de minimu problem but wo na any problem awo say diabetes say ye kwashioko say ye HIV say ye hwan yade ebu o ma sebi e bia na nya hunama ni yade ne bia na esunsumu yade oba what the Bible and the ebehwehwem ama me patcho ma me fa ne number ema na efre Joseph Mensah na baby a wo na so ni bi wo efre say Accra eye amasaman ono ofre na obeboa wo nkokọ sanso so na so ni bi ewo Kumasi eye etmetim me patcho ma me fra sam number we me ma number we na efre na omuncho the rare location everywhere is the worst maybe oh me patcho friend number we 05544779959 05046041122 05046041122 me patcho Fred Joseph Mensah Bible akwapa no kwafo ono pe ne betimi de Bible aye hwehwemu wo Ghana ha ade ama nice one me na medical catch us me mfa ade a sebi enye papa emra wo me platform so etini hospital bi e wo Ghana ha ɛyɛ Dime Diagnostical Center. Any kasam say doctor a woda ɛyɛ hospital ya no Dr. Marina Boyoba a wasa ye bro de fita. Mami ebia na stroke, hypertension. But ade ba ko a me gina so pi na maka kye o say baby a wo a meta ka me brofo say everywhere is a worse. Wa wo fibroid yade. Fibroid yade bia ya a e wo maso a eno create me ma wa wo etwa. Wodi agro wontimi wo. Na eba anadwo ana eba awia sabi emu yaye. Eti omode ne se ani kasema me tie kura ye me se ye ma waduro abra ye mfa se kan yeden enkan me pacho abrochire kuro ba bia wo mesese no man na wo screen so no me pacho obefa e wo WhatsApp ene wo nkasa se wo US wo Canada se wo France se wo hefa me pacho ofra mo de adoni bi bebre abra wo fibroid doctor nye operation nanso o fibroid no be dey ebeko me pacho eye 020 064959 0200 064959 0557 269598 me pacho o frɛ wo mo a ana sɛ wonu wo kasa o fibroid ne de etuo betwa eni tina me kanfo no aggressive interview so ama me o ma so masene na emom me pese o so hwɛ na wa de comment ba hospital no ebi wo takrade ebi wo Kumasi ebi wo Tamale na ebi wo so wonkran ti wo frɛ no ma na ye be kire oba bia ewo me ba cho me mfa yade ni agro na yare de ehu ba me nu adofo na me ka wo se wona waso masene de bia meka eye Dominion Herbal Powder. Dominion Herbal Powder. Dominion Herbal Powder. The powerful epipiduro with the whole world is powerful. Me can say as agro bi na medi. De bia meka che nipa da seni a wo hwe me se kwakuma no sebi se platform yi so ayewe ade na nya papa me nkanfo ma wo na momu no wona wa hwe anum Dominion Herbal Powder ne de omo kanfo na omo di ho adanse obi benya wa na efiri yade ba bia wo everywhere you are was me pa cho here Dominion Herbal Powder wo de efasifie ne twante seti anopa twanti anwumre me pa cho tem de hiansa wa treketo abako wa wo hu say yes wa poso ye wo kya ebu ma wa wo tinka sese de honam si bi twetwe wo no hu se stroke nya wo be kyew mesrew uhia Dominion Herbal Powder obu ma ye ka ne say no asa agro wo high pressure kum etimi hawa na wo obi a wo high na enu kum wase mamko ada akoko me ho ahwe na kum na low ni susu de ebe low say asa miti abonsam so nyom no miti abonsam so bon say mehuruma akosoro na bu ma ba kwi wase anwumi na mre afi kam to hye ho memma pressure mekun abra Dominion Herbal Powder wo ho mesire maame papa maame ode hye ba wo hene ba kwakuma no mekanfo Dominion Herbal Powder na ma wo obi a stroke won se stroke pese che obi na stroke achew ana ache obi mani Dominion Herbal Powder obo se change ide aba na brabom me pacho diabetes ne ho keka ho nyina no wo de wo na onim yade kura wo yade wo hia Dominion Herbal Powder eye 0543 15 81 95 0543 15 81 95 eye Dominion Herbal Powder numbi na bechew mekoso akamfo de ye na ama wo nipa wo heme Vical 20 wow eye from Joy Industries Vical 20 from Joy Industries from Joy Daddy asweye from Joy Industries I'm gonna do Joy ointment buy na ma bebre wo krom ya bedi adanse say said the Joy Daddy for power product ye gie no misade eye Vical 20 abay me pacho wose bra ne be boost system virus yi bayi yes before obi kura virus meet match na say o low booster na say wo kura won yentimi boost na ka hu se before fever be che no na yade a sebi ebet ahode ebetimi akotie fever no ewo fom enu nti na fever ache wo malaria enam se mo no ho aye den sin akode na ebe kotie yale nti ana malaria ache wo se fever enu na medical catch enti wo hia se onum Vical 20 na boost system no obi na ka se ebe boost energy bibia mu say yempem me na catch no don't try wa bedi ho adanse sa wo keka ho kra na nkeka me say wo de me mpese me bobo yade din Vical 20 me patcho ma me fa no ma yema wo na efre no ma wo eye 0244 58 55 31 0244 58 55 31 and 0244 87 63 21 0244 87 63 21 and we have Vical 20 mesro eye duro bia wo de wo ya abro akora no bi wo na wo so ntimi keka ho no bi me see de me di ho dance ye wo me platform so nyina no so so hwe ne sa anye wa frɛ kwaku manu ne ka chense kwaku ye hie sika back. I don't introduce any fake thing to you. This is the properties adverse commercial in my show Vical 20 powerful. No man, I'm the amount of friend from Joy Industries. I don't lie you. I'm love you from my bottom of my heart. I will come this drone this hospital for you. That's what you say yes. Kokuma no my yard na mon premier. Yen ko ne enko program. Me da asese me nua wage bre na wage akonya na o hweme na o hwe ba bia wo ya ye fa ne Compilville. Oh, already. Me bro for some Compilville. But I was my 7. We do my 7 na. It touch na how na what you say. We do wura mu my 7 na no. E wo soro ha laptop wo ha, omoton TV wo ha. Say home normal moton nyina na ye home one. Me nim say normal bebre ye ton no. Ye kra fra bloche na ba de but e bi mu fra bloche na be so fra abloche achi. What you say? But we ye home, we ye fie no fie. E ba wa utum say bi bosi bi. Nice one. And today here say obeti ma ba be laptop na earphone bibi say bibi a wa bia no e ya de ya wisu manipa laptop bibi a na na ni bra ya otia e bedi nkomo ne ho sem dos ne ho sem e dos ese wotwe honwe enim nipa wo wiase we controversial tsada ni ho bida ye beto aba ne ho bon mu comedy ne ho bon mu utimi se ma bi kuntoko ba bi ne ho bon mu etuo bi namba bi ne ho bon mu DKB o edi enipa bema akwaba aggressive into me some so
no aggressive aggressive interview how are you how is your career that interview no
menya rasa no jojo msa
no me pe jojo because the first day I'm one aggressive interview no I gentle hello you say aggressive that you must be. Wait, how you doing? How is your career? Wazu.
I just saw you said you on because about down for you on be a mo.
I don't think I need social distance to come back
because me think we are coronavirus winning hobby.
Oh, Pacho, that level they beg you. We need some about down but no, good to see you. I tell you.
But say be a possible code.
Yeah, tell you the hustle we are on.
Nice one.
Since I then say Ghana for be accepting Ghana comedy.
Okay.
Because that another problem, big one was the problem there was that now in Kofubi industry no more omufa Nigeria for back.
Okay.
And now Nigeria for ne battle. Yeah, now you pushing for Ghana comedy.
Okay.
Until you better know enemies. And now almost set the agenda. It's your media for to go around and say Ghana comedians are not funny. Ghana comedians are not funny. That's how come a lot of people have had the impression that DKB is not funny. Okay. Because the media was paid.
Now some comedians does so Crimea. And DKB Dini Ebo say
send me na ringleader. And me D squad name for Ghana comedy. Me na my friend is saying like gang blood for Ghana comedians and I me ye dede for Ghana comedians. But uka Ghana comedians now. DK never amount for team first. Stand up. When it comes to stand up, not comic acting.
Okay.
That's what people don't get.
Oh, me person me who say stand up now okay.
Yes.
Sana one I say sana Ghana for one.
Yeah, uka stand up comedy. Ghana comedians.
Okay.
Yes. We didn't ever up first because you know I'm being widespread controversy behind the shame and not the empire.
Okay.
So they be out in
okay.
And ultimately Ghana comedian DKB. Ghana comedian DKB. Ghana, okay. So when you hear Ghana comedians, DKB is what pops up. Okay. And then now me fight say system no so be Ghana comedians quite. Oh, industry for your man fan channel cry. So they started a campaign. First name mini David Oscar. Almost say oh David Oscar is not funny. David Oscar is not funny. And almost say me count. And other boys and almost Sano because the David Oscar is not funny. The other guys can be funny. Who's there? Funny is money.
Okay.
In America, that's Obumo Australia. Oh, Sika one home. Yes.
Obemo when you actually
no money scap.
Sanity.
The cousin the pan funny. Oma winning J. Oma money scap.
Yes.
I isn't the pan funny. Obet on the ticket. You buy it. So they did that to destroy the image.
Okay.
Yes, but. Their target was Ghana comedy, but no my home ringleader for Ghana comedy. It's me na me blow no.
Okay.
Okay. So I call say right now Oka NDC. The ringleader is Mahama.
Okay.
But there are people in NDC.
Oh yeah.
Chachu Chikata and Co.
When you be a crebe mosquito.
Thank you very much. Na sense is spray no sense spray to why.
Any braba. But yen hwe ye beba san komo nyina so ye guso ye din komo wa. Aye DKB. Who ye die ni ankasa.
Me ye kroboni. Shocking.
Who ye kroboni?
Yes, tribe me free no munye de kwa. Me nim dey ha me chese
How you crobbo didn't you say?
2 weeks me coming 2 weeks. Yeah, but that war. How do you come from a tribe within a period?
The person it be a crumb now be fire. Oh my no papa nyina ye crobbo for.
Yeah, so yeah,
no,
100%. Yeah, 100%.
100%.
Yes.
Crobbo so no.
Osudoku. Doku. Yes. Our prom side hon.
Oh, okay. Hon na free.
Yeah, hon am free.
What na ho?
A little bit. But baby I'm me call a brain pa Suhum. Yes, Kwaba Kota Suhum ko Kumasi Kwanso. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, I stayed there for more than 10 years. I grew up there. And as Suhum so it's eastern part. It's not far from Krobonea down for Assassin. So you will mix with the Kwapim Spa.
Okay.
So staying there, no, I stayed there for like 10 years and then a veteran colleague for 15 years.
Wow.
Before I Nipa Baby secondary school, they will move to La Paz. After then I was on my own. On my own, I stayed in East Legon, Medina, and then Hacho, race course, then Mount 7 race course and back to Mount 7.
Okay.
But from Suhum yetna Mambruk kakra Mambruk Zongo.
Okay.
Yetna Zongo.
Jenti Zongo sing.
On the baptism no buy okay. All I buy but a lot of people don't know. Inti me got na Madina no that me certified Zongo boy free.
And we mu say
yes.
Who feel say obetna ho. Okay.
I think that maybe then what I mean no. Many option.
But yeah, DKB, yeah, give you ham. DKB will be a fancy Ghana for abaji watu say we a comedian.
Right.
Yeah, can stars. Work from here. Minim program I won't kwase.
Sure.
Any program be a wo ase, o kwase. But you say we call a Big Brother.
Hey, we're good.
Big Brother so we call and me fancy Big Brother there, Africa show. We present my Ghanaians. Ba preko pa yesi abufuo ba se ofia benfo ne kohye
omo krasifo
ro bi sutro ho a wo de ba wakogu Ghanaians animase ade ne ba sa.
So first of all, Big Brother house no fear omo de amanfo omo characters clash.
Okay.
And omo de omo go one place. I say oh down pedede.
Okay.
Yes. Obi so wo a dede kwa no yeah na de oh ne no ashe one room.
Okay.
Intimate that. So they didn't know some person or stop because I know say won't feed you know only any mama any papa.
Okay.
Now you can't sleep.
Okay.
So what happened? Confusion.
Okay.
Ebi awo person be tian. Obi so one up.
Okay.
Yeah, so those things, you know.
Okay.
So I'm not for teaching them much. I'm not for say easy, but so easy, but well, easy kura well, yeah. I swear,
if you hold
jai, at their own pen, and no be pen, only need to the same place. Ogusu here. How do you deal with it?
Obi answer so, anyini.
Yes.
Obi answer then.
Yes. So you can obi anya kola obet my control.
Okay.
It's not easy at all. So, girl, no, me no, I like protecting my space.
Okay.
In pair off. Or no, so a space invader. So, Obia on person will run the space with Obia or no, the parents will run for space or this thing. No, like
okay. Me fancy Obia will pay like Obia here. Odin kofo aduane. But ono nya ne de on person be beba.
No, oye here. My own person ma for be do aduane.
Yes.
And I also do be aduane.
Okay.
But only aduane person be
GB.
That confusion.
Yes.
So na me dware. And to be honest, na me ka ofio say me what I say me kura.
Oh, thank
you.
Okay. Can crime according to sources just open.
Oh,
open.
No, it means only spec.
Only spec but open. Oh,
no.
T. Unia.
You're very honest.
Oh, you are honest.
Girl, I'm feeling kakra. You know, feel Zambia no. On me feel black beauty.
Nice.
Me I want feel wiki me pa.
Okay.
But I said beauty, body before beauty. But me your body no, none the beauty, none hear me fair. To be very honest. But when I sutro there no, or too slim, mommy. There was no affection. If there was affection, sutro no back. There was no affection, no feeling for her.
And you also, two person say no moment feel one.
Yeah, 3 boys. 3 boys. Me na me near ding.
Okay.
Okay. And also Bema in near because Sierra Leone no free no. Or no a war survivor to up a heart.
Okay.
But in the course of feeling hard no, there are some rules. I have my rules. It's me dry. Me was say I don't need be where or no. I show me nakedness and I cover me when me pamon. Until me to us me dry. Now in my thought me say now Bema me dey dry or baby bathroom door. Any problem? What's a problem? Because oba me dry. Some me be done a problem. Into Bema so dry.
But say brother there. Ebi mu kwa me hu say ebi mu create me imagine one a year dry.
Because only it is
okay, but a program will be a bit controversial if you
very good. But in the course of open controversial, this more reaction.
Yes, open so true.
No, and yeah, no. Okay. There's cases will be man in the business. I compare controversy. Or more reaction, also man reaction. But and you show Mwaba, Mujaya, wait to make or share with no. It's everybody in his privacy.
Okay.
I say being some way like a certain way with Obi. Ebia, we are madam for me no vibe. Me want for Kwasia saying
okay.
Obi am in inside me friend Kwasia.
Debbie, only in this
very good.
When you are down for our side.
Because Ghana hini could to me heavy one me mate friend punching.
Okay. Omo ya punch that for yes.
Now small boy was soon am ho o ko friend hini na punch. Obi twa and now I they'll kill you.
Yes.
So it's send your own penalty. Oh, me no want to say who dry I'll come and peep. Me dry come and peep tabi. Nti obehwe am na okoye no. I me dry me say no. I was saying me want to get away because say obey dry na be ma be door. Na your offense there. Be ma so dry no be door. Your offense because oba be door shame nakedness ah. Enye favor onye me favor. Why invade my privacy? So me dry na me ko kan say me pe ade oye no. Next time oya me dry no. Oh, me feel fuck you, this insulting me, insulting my mother. Oh, look guys, the next time we have a boss. I don't say I'm born as let me say, next time in buy, when you me them boss. And I say no better me say, no a bema bomasum. I'm so what say. Don't say bomasum, I'm say me boasum. Next time in buy, more say tell our bomasum first.
Or ban the ball first.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, cool. This issue, delay a ball video in slow motion. 8 years, me feel big one and buy. And Obi who say get the bomb first. To bomb us something me video na mu a reaction. I didn't take the action that be. but the little problem is say come on no video na PNA me reaction side yes Obama say
okay
and I me call say
until once in the face camera
come on no
okay
and media no koye say autonomous fan from him because the camera didn't capture him
okay
it near me then say recently video every 3 months now I go viral every 3 months I go viral say I'm all for Felix Utrono
okay
but no much that they found the post say hey the kid don't catch you so every time I trend so one time I say video can maybe I make last part you know and again I guess be no can say but I slap you first into one I say video the part we cry men you so long time ago because she hit me first
okay
it was so what people saw was my reaction
and she said oba bowa
yes
untimi nye bibia am fan favor say just so
first of all the circumstances they want if you on tension or too ebufu or too much
okay
so if I say ebufu nipa na piss off that into no ko bonato one o dware wa be show nakedness two uko ka chance one person or ya man no okay so next time when obebo na so no abo asum first tell me how many people will survive this obeto sir you are a human being forget so your ba if you're a human being you react
if you're married ho
or their rules into mo pamo yen no
okay nti ade na wan timi anyina se bema no wan fu ani anto Ghana for
bema nye oba bema nye nipa or say oba abuse no that's what people should know say but we bema and no man in bad chance man omo misbehave and na boys so no mo kunku omo because some boys cannot handle obeti say obi kunu afetu abo oyire no
anu ho
no baby baby women are naturally abusive okay me jijina onu tumi nyahwe no me jijino they say it in the process of all jijino they say it, a man cannot hit a woman so tumi bomb now to the point that no one say push we a bema abomehwe they are provokers so that is how they are but that doesn't mean we should endorse their actions
okay
Oba and sister Obo Bemas so told that there lion that ho no go she lion up pam say no so no a lion or ring the prices or me but what question happen Oba reaction every so when I see people judging me no you're supposed to be a gentleman forget if you want obi to me so to me around 6 hours so person obu bia
ohun odinity
no anyone we
ade ho ye bonsam jemu ana
ila
ho ye bonsam
yes see father say let me just one person tower back from Otio winning down no be you tower to form
na me ba o say e ya kansie na moko
yes
ye pede obe wini
yes
obi so betimi ahu say obetimi ahame
yes
afa win
yes
etidie na betimi ayama wo
direction o call the Matthias say a game
you play
forget ebe foul kwegu ye human being with emotions ebe foul me see you if you hono omo catch say men try say ube behave say like oh come on let me be a good behavior omo catch say within a week your true character will show afi do baby we if you cross come on who come and say any wadimo you are so used to it and come say come here me to the whole forget you want to do what your heart wants okay. I'm telling you yes even gets to a point after now person come and chase you yes because say they are moving come na on say come and nothing which means mon common interesting and then a man for
okay
in that say obia bibia come and be ten at on
okay
yes
let's say bonsema wura mu
but na
enti gele say we yakura wo beye
bozu that house is crazy so I'm off with teaching them because amunya mystery only say every year before I'm a big brother I'm off journalists from different countries eco few home a young Ghana journalist be Eugene Cancer friend me in Concosa he has been to the house before on the Glano they've been there I think a couple of other journalists bozu within 12 hours on my paba now for boofu and I for committee no phone no tap she knew you are being free stress and nothing no TV nothing it was all the panel your TV what the panel your phone
how many months na mudi wo
the show is 90 days 3 months
wow
yeah but I did 30 days.
So 20.
Also.
Now buy film so no. Na
in my mind.
A boa woman kofo bebre so.
That be a kele bibia.
And na me say a boa won so man pemfo bebre a ka wo mo don e pe wasem say ba bia nkade wo koduru no wakogu Ghana oni ase. To feel obi kura was memfa because said he was oh they be like said the iron dey man for be reject.
Na time. Me brave rough. But onim in that house is a different world. Me bano in my mind I was like, Ghana people will support me, yes, because they saw what the girl did to me. So me, so trying body, it was a reaction because Ghana was bomb me first.
Are you kasa?
Yeah, because who's the who they are famous?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So who is a emotional? They should see the same thing. So me in my mind, I remember Ghana, boss, Tupac, the fans.
Wow.
Aha. Me buy a bam. You are deaf. You have this Ghana. I'm saying, but. They got it. Oh, so what? I'm sorry, but they go. And so what? Hey, into what you tell me, cry. Boss, that's when the thing hit me. Say, hey, debut.
My mistake.
My big mistake was it was bad. For one whole year, my program back.
Wow.
We go. I survive on 1 cedi a day.
Wow.
Now me talk Gary 30 pesos. My tongue goes back 40 pesos. Now 30 pesos no. Me power manager no mama me ko sheto. Meko intos ne jene kakra na me 10 ne all for 20 pesos 10 pesos na ka me top water.
Wow.
Yeah, it's me ba my so share na ma one inchine na gari me na ba na me twi me ko na ma chinko so ba ko na to but so gari no gallon me make sure me din na me ko me boss no go so the whole day refills me no use na me
the trouble.
Yes. To following the last one see that come the same thing. This heavy bonfire of doing that time fasting prayers fasting and easy. Nobody want hey Mikai some company the Fiesta condoms may send a proposal say me organize the event to be and then through the event I'll let people know say they are me here and oh mommy oh those I girl be one be oh mommy hope me send a proposal everything I have a many year program no. Me fair, I don't pick it on one time. Hello, we don't sponsor women beaters.
Wow.
Please. So forget about us. Fiesta Cordon will never sponsor a woman beater. Okay? Yeah, so thank you very much. Don't call us again.
Wow.
Hey, go. So phone is not so
trouble.
Only people changing my life during that time. Big Bulldog.
Oh.
Yes.
Shatawale a producer.
One lie. Was a young boys. Yes. Young boys don't matter. When somebody, a senior, is advising them in the industry, say, yes, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Sadly, I can say, humble yourself, bro. Also, you do my papa.
Okay.
Bulldog friend say, me brand ho, young bonko. Me call and say, Opa umpo. Who know if you try him, you know?
Yes.
In this is yeah, so would you too?
Say,
oh, now yes, to throw now, boss to throw now, boss to throw, G2. Now, what Jatu? Now I was say who you so no and they advise you to say me boss to say me say me could see me take we a boy now tell me or buy you say men I'm saying you say yes why they bit me advise you about sex if not Ashawuni can a virgin advise you about sex I'm saying no Ashawuni bit me advise you about sex yes so if anybody is talking about don't hate a woman it's supposed to be somebody who has hit a woman and knows what he went through.
Nice one.
I'm saying, okay, Budok, thank you. How do I start? No, I say, I was so enrolling on anger management class, psychological department, so that people will know, say, you are changing. Yeah. Oh, so I went, because anger management class, I was 37, psychology department, yes.
Hey!
Oh, yeah, I did it.
So, trouble, I could
Bozu. So boarding the me be there. And this is some just go aje so try and who aje say no.
So kwa usutro no. Say the SBA trend say ukra utimi hwe won say no abusa won say
ukra den
na we mistake say.
Lawyer be friend say usutro no landing from the left hand. A friend say usutro no mo edru pa oh boss Charlie. Now on your left handed there. So they be me right hand. I say hey, on the right hand you be my friend because be go jail.
Wow.
I'm for stream part. And a lot of the people almost for us an opportunity to destroy me. Me kai man be our nightclub ni lounge etc. I was Sierra Leone. It's not person family by Sierra Leone. Now me get on resolve everything. I want a nice club. No?
Okay.
Now I say these two people united in his club. Now a big party. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Big. Yeah, industry person. A discouraging man is the worst thing a man would do. Now the me Barcelona and share me Barcelona, me Barcelona. How? Breaking man lose him. So all breaking, you know. Now nipa no think channel. I frame ya. Okay, mommy or text me say I'm coming to call you. Don't talk. You will hear something. I'm saying yes, boss. To friend man can meet here. Now all breaking is later for me friends are no man.
On Fabio. I want to be producer and as well a director and
a nightclub owner.
And also the essay no. Okay. Yes,
no.
No friend.
Industry person.
Oh, industry person. Or to man I said.
Or to you.
And not what to do.
Yeah, to you.
Rapper na dey.
Yeah.
Well, rapper.
Yeah.
Oh, Kumasi na Accra.
Yeah. Mama enough clue.
Oh, be person me who say oh Kumasi na Accra.
No, dey then.
Oh, that be say nipa dey ye hwe ye mo dey like person who say we Kumasi ni.
Nah.
We Kumasi ni.
Forget it.
Oh, we Kumasi ni.
We go say oh there.
Oh, there be no concern am dey. Ma hwefo ahwe me no ma sumi yo mo dey.
O ma sumi yo mo dey. E no fata kam. Entu aso. O pasem.
Oh my God.
Musician, rapper.
Okay. But the issue with this is aggressive interview. Where Moscow Scantan and Gaga aggressive. But the issue I did to say BKD. Ata Ekremu say, we the king of comedian.
Right.
Yes. One of this about in the mouth. Now one I will share with them at the mouth.
Also, Ghana. Yetawa, the baby and your mouth.
Okay.
Ghana industry is roads near 2 pay. Part of your pay was my dear be bonny be a papa. Okay. And a part of young pay was a papa be a bonnet. That's how to whom say a town. Oh, I'm out for time. It's because of the big brother issue, no. Issue 9 a month for that town. Why yet meaning free? Hey, I'm what you say. Oh, yeah, what me should be like be online. Oh, stupid boy, foolish boy, then now be besides. I don't know how time to say. Everybody on ball, so turn on Google Ghana anymore. I said Ghana, there will be anymore. Ghana anymore, no go. We are Ghana ambassador. Oh, there be, yeah, no person be a Ghana ambassador and say no one say. That be 8 years. Oh, yeah, no, that's what you mean. And also trouble I could paint to also number being a cat and say, we Ghana for my dear to throw Kwana mobile. Oh, Ghana for my own call outside. I'm going to say, dear, since you woman. Oh, that be. Oh, and yes. Oh, Debbie. Oh, South Africa man pay pa. I'm not pay because of my 220. Yes. No. It is to turn their back against at 2,000. And also this to try the cat upon her. When you want you. Oh, no. Say the number 4 tower. She said, oh, what the gun a qua. When you are there, you even know that you have that much. No. You in the house. You will never know say you have that much support. Oh, you will never know. But it's almost a Ghana 4 tower. See for Kwegu, I'm sure when you are there, it's like you are in your own single room. You have at the back of me, I'm representing Ghana, and I'm Ghana, would they even support me? Let me just do my thing. That's how the house is. Okay. You even know. Okay. So, yeah, comedy godfather, KSM. Kwegu, made me a very hard working comedian. I always want him to know if a comedian is good, is if every time or the new jokes back. New killer jokes, not just new jokes. In the case, I must study me for 3 years. Okay. 3 years not study, I repeat one joke. Okay. Every day fresh. Issue me see I'm the bad joke. Issue me see I'm the bad joke. That create my own jokes. So, on bad shows maybe other comedians repeat jokes. They can be bad fresh jokes. Oh yes. We sure say other comedians repeat shows. Oh yeah. Let me show you the food. It happens. This is kind of saying me repeating jokes. Repeating jokes is comfortable, it's easy. Okay. Because to tell new jokes is scary rough. Because you're like, hey, there's a little chance I have with the audience. So a new joke, you better fly, and I ain't flying. Okay. But all jokes now fly that. Okay. Only who confidence. Okay. Into what me quite the become. Aha. Okay. It's what you're very lazy. Okay. And let me take the whole joke and give it to them. So your ability to handle stress is low. But if you always want to do new jokes, you are not scared. It gives you confidence. But new jokes are scary. I won't lie to you. Okay. So what it is hey, most of the comedians, maybe are performing 100%. Old jokes be maybe 60 and maybe 70. No, the new one be 30 account. New one, there's a way we do it. Us change too. Oh, the old joke be starting. No, the new one actually middle. Into new one, far better also.
Okay.
And far now switching to old jokes. Now they do performance. Okay. So most of them, you know, they are between 30 to 40% new jokes, not 60% are old joke.
Okay.
So 30 old joke, 40 new jokes, 30 old jokes, 100%. But maybe old jokes 0, new jokes 100. Everything new.
DKB.
But also I rehearse every evening.
Now sounds will be so chef also the same thing.
But how come?
Also you need
but how come on the platform no? You mix old and new.
Hey, I say who this I say who we are the best. The person just said Ghana we are the best comedian. I will paint me.
I'm talking about how I do my work, not whether I'm best challenger or no. I'm talking about how I do the work. Let me catch you say to do me those times no. I stuck with new jokes all boss. If I tell you what I go through before I come and tell the new jokes, you would even advise me to stop. Sometimes me want to make people see. Do you know how many times I go to the washroom? Every time I go stage, me call new jokes and kwa. She knew me game. Me run till I go on stage.
Oh, need the acquire show no.
Forget. Stress level no, they vomit.
Okay.
Stress level they almost yare.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe they know. I get sick and then I visit the toilet. Me quiet with she me game before I hit the stage. Me hit the stage now. New jokes no. Pa. The reason why is because don't time I do a lot of writing and rehearsals. So stage now more on my picture stage now perform so that.
Okay.
And within me, you know, it's a joke on my mystery. I know the audience will laugh and fall down. If the joke makes me smile, the audience will laugh and clap.
Okay.
But if I laugh, which means the audience will die.
Okay.
Because I'm the comedian, I make creative. In the people, I hate me on mystery. The one who doesn't even know about the joke, you know. So, in the course of writing during the midnight, I don't pick jokes that make me smiling. I pick only the jokes that made me laugh.
Okay.
So, me pick jokes that make me swear, like hot, maybe at 25 minutes. When I perform, when you're performing, sometimes the amount of saying I was a way a cracker, forget. The audience will just laugh. There are times like that. Until 25 minutes new jokes. If there are 5 minutes of it, you know, I hate it like I expect, but 20%, 20 minutes of it, they hate it hard.
I'm a man for any.
Oh, bosso.
I'm a come to you.
Harder when I come in the stage now. So you know, no feel like bash because you know be a fly.
Okay.
So KSM studied me for that 3 years gap, and I will say, I work very hard, very very hard, because he himself he knows what it entails to write new jokes, and other comedians will tell you, Upa challenge the comedian say, bro, every platform tell new jokes. Because go editing.
Are sure?
It's like
because you son and say tatam kwane say e toli.
Yes.
Toli
yeah old jokes.
Oh you old jokes.
Only old
yes,
jokes.
toli no. Before me nyina ho nka toli ba ko no. Wo say satam na akwete say wo kan meka.
Yes.
Before me nka me dia wo nka kan wie no. Na wo menya toli afiri wo toli na wo kan no.
That's the diversity of old joke.
Okay.
Once what you performing old joke me I'm on fast slow but oh share video like hey joke me the far I'm for be
okay.
Yes, that's advancement of old joke.
Yes.
But new joke no. Okay, funny say Osana yes. Create 5 minutes jokes with it. How? That is the strangeness of new jokes.
And KS who say
or study here for that period. And I was say, this guy is very consistent with performing new jokes all the time. Secondly, he has leadership skills. He leads the boys to good things, you know. He always speaks on behalf of Ghana comedians and all of that. Okay, I think I'm about to retire. He deserves to be the new king, to lead the squad.
And what do no?
So a friendly interview
Me who say interview.
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Oh, no, the only Sunday of frost or bass, or Bema, you know, I'm a baby to energy.
Was that?
And the papa no fro catch you say, only a meba, me person do ye no ken.
No, he didn't tell me.
Say, when him so I
No, he didn't tell me. Why would he tell me about his handover? No, he must take me by surprise. He didn't tell me. He told me, say, come for an interview, so we'll talk about comedy and 1 or 2 shows you've done. It's okay. So guys, this is the point where I want to surprise my little boy. Say, I'm an old man, I need to retire. So I'm handing over the title to him. He's the new king of comedy. Oh, just like that. I said, yes. And to represent it, our crystal globe, I had a round glass. I had drawn map of crystal globe. And he didn't have anything to represent to me. No trophy, no award, nothing. And then they see me, Dex, so to represent me handing over to you, I present to you this crystal globe. So he handed it over to me, shook my hands, everything, said, I am the new king.
And Papa no one any man kwan edwen ho this person bang, but when you comedians in Kayano, and you know said the Ghana Movies Award, ebia this year, we know ye hwan we so no kwan.
Oh, say
that dwene ahwe.
Say he
was that side.
He was touted as the king of comedy. Now, the can I say there were council of elders and he didn't consult. No, it's not say or no autocracy. I don't know. I don't care about what anybody else.
I don't care. No, I'm nipa baby.
No,
no.
See,
okay. Almost say nyintum.
That's what he told you.
Sana meeting no abontin.
Okay, fine. Abontin the obeti no mapa. This is the complexity of it. He handed over a glorious title, King of Comedy, to somebody who is hated by the public. That's why it looks like people don't want to accept. But the people who know my value and know what I do and know what I'm made of, they felt, oh, he deserves it too. But because I'm publicly hated, you don't understand. Say, oh, Shetawale ni Beyonce collabo no. Do you know why? And yet any negativity is because bam and you me pay Shetawale Beyonce ultimate clear and part Beyonce me Shetawale ni on one song.
Oh, comedy na mama here nyum na.
There be.
Okay.
Oh, diverting.
Now, comedy na be
the time this that collabo is what made even Shetawale's enemies celebrate him.
Okay.
And that's the collabo, that's the point where he decided to keep quiet because my Tanfuka supporting me. Why do I even need to talk again?
Okay.
So Beyonce collabo with Shetawale is what made Shetawale calm.
Okay.
Because why do I have to attack my enemies? They are celebrating me. They attack you when we here.
Okay.
Yes. Now, if Beyonce means Shetawale Amber out, and then Shetawale like it wasn't out yet. During the time when they hated him, he came to say, with the moon, Beyonce will collaborate or sober. Do you know what would have happened to him? The amount of insult he will collect.
Okay.
Because even when Beyonce ni Shetawale nyum ni piepo, man for it is a Beyonce ni Shetawale nyum ni. Some presenters were saying it's a Beyonce mistake.
Say.
Nah, Obephobia Shetawale. That's what I'm saying. Say, when they hate you, any good thing that comes to you is a negative thing.
So the who say Ghana for pa.
Oh, nipa every time, but see, I know, me don't know. The people who love me have increased because they've gotten to know say this guy is a good guy. He's easygoing, on Cheso, yeah. So a lot of people who now support me now also hated me in the past. They say it all the time.
Okay.
A bit bad show, no. After show, no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for what. I didn't know you were this good a comedian, and I really hated you. There's been so many shows. Once I see you, I didn't buy a ticket. But I've realized how stupid I've been. I've regretted. I could have enjoyed myself all this while. I said, you decided to believe what was being said in public. Oh, Dickie, I'm sorry. It happened to me so many times. Even, and you know, sometimes it's stressful because, look, I go through a lot before I perform. Because like I'm going to perform to my enemies all the time.
The beer.
Yes. I say actually the beer. It's stressful. Other comedians have it easy in Ghana. Yes, because one at a time. I don't understand.
a tiny bit.
I accept.
One I will create apart from so try cowboy. One who create time out.
Which is what?
Me that's it. A tiny bit I will create ma honey.
Oh.
Hwese kumase na yete. Ye na die wo se kom for. Betu me bro for nye. Magia ato. But adwuma me yese sini die. Me okay. Se me perform kama. Man konfon so ani gi me ho. Okay. Ye hwe bibi te se one corner. Ase ye bai. Me say bi. Kodwo say bi. Kodwo de wansa one corner. Nipa wo say bi ye me abro be achireburu wa.
Right.
Omkwalo no me Ghana. But oh ye interview wo Kumasi. Ne yebusa DK bi say, "Oh, nipa so mase bi akwa kuma anu bi nipa so oh, twasa nkofo ya asem krabo. Ye ka krachefo ne sukufo a kwase afo de. Wo do ma asem betum si.
You one corner po.
Wo de me ba.
What's the one message?
Wo de no ye de here.
It's follow the ladder.
Wo de follow the ladder. Wo say patapa ne ball you one corner you know okay what follow let that the one
adiwa cuz how you participated in follow the ladder
yes me that say wa correct me adwene no
one message
o say adwene na me
ba
o dabi mamre na me de kasa na ye ba kope enti no e bi dey say me that say wa correct me ho say follow the ladder but o be disi kumasefo mu kumasefo man ko school klasefo abra wo kasa wo kumase so FM so na wo kasa ntoko wi apese ho na no enye Accra radio na kasa so o kasa wo Kumasi radio so na kasa ntika wo gina Kumasi radio station na wo kasa asemo ya ka wo to na so to be 3000 aboma wurada anim ba wo kasa wo mframa mu no enti wa kasa kwa okọ ba bi.
Okay. Before we did the interview I told you say let's iron this out. Let's make this clear to people. As a one cuz what 10 years. You stay again to judge me.
Me dabi o kan na be be me de but minimum virus so I cause.
Okay. So let's make things clear. The presenter was on NAJ FM.
Okay.
And our friend me say they want to interview me. Okay, cool. Me maybe you guys didn't see me as a brother.
Okay.
Which is you, Lewin, and the rest of the comedians. But me I saw you as brothers.
Nice one.
You beat me, I did the rough.
Oh, yeah.
Beat me to bomb my mouth,
Nice
cool.
one.
Yes. So that's how I saw it. So these guys are my brothers. So in the course of the interview, no me follow the ladder. But when they are dancing, they climb the ladder.
Okay, yeah.
To me video, no, me mobi swallow than me follow because follow the ladder as the word says. So me reverse, no.
Okay.
And people hadn't thought in that direction, so it made them smile. Okay. So I can say, you reverse yours, then. But Kwekumen also did very well, and Lewin too. You haven't watched their videos. No, yeah, I watched their videos. Yeah, but they didn't do it like me. And so, how come so they should get out on my ball when I'm a champion?
Okay.
I was just playing.
Would you say sana o kan?
Na me no fight.
There be Jesus sana o pa.
That's how I said it because let me tell you the progression of the story. Inti, me guys forget them. On my ball when I'm a champion. I'm just people don't understand. A lot of people don't understand the way I do my things. One say my comedy is a bit aggressive.
Okay.
But it is comedy. It's like macho man or your comedy.
Okay.
Or for aggression because he doesn't even look soft. It's for aggression be more. It happens in a lot of American movies. Macho hey. Now I can be now I so my comedy has a bit of aggression. But Ushimwa, I make sure the many partners are I'm cool with the person. That's why I told you earlier. I said, hey, you guys didn't see me as our brother man in Accra.
Yes, I'm 10.
Okay.
Yes, I'm only 10.
Very good.
Nice one.
It's here no, and a problem no.
Okay.
So because I remember like right now. So we can't present as forget them. On my bomb, I'm a champion. No, so we are just some mutia and young with them. So guys say, also just some more mutia. So I just say we were just messing around on air, and I laughed it off. After the interview, I think he called you before Lewin, or he called Lewin before you, one of them. So when he called you guys, I was coming to Accra from Infantima. I had gone to pick my kid sister with the family. I don't know my boyfriend. I'm a picky here. B, what caused trouble? Kumasi say, see ya. I'm saying no, man, cause trouble. No, present around in the Kasai, no, only answer. Onu no cause.
Many other four. One now was some asino. A prophet Joseph Mensah. Prophet Joseph Mensah. Bible akwapa no kwafo. Ono ne hwehwemu ne de wo the Bible ene hwehwemu efa ni pedua ho. Se ye kase obi the Bible eye hwehwemu a aye Joseph Mensah na de me kan obi wo ma adwuma a wo ye no sebi wo de ohun se ye wo adwuma na so bekom na de bia nko ade obi ye nya faso no na nko akwa na de ka ena eba enti prophet Joseph Mensah say bra no onfa Bible enye hwehwemu mfama ho oba na wo ware no wo ye oyere bema no oye okunu akonto na otu ebeboa wo anase emboa wo yade be na aye nkoanko a yako a enko na so wa chinechine ya hifie sika wo se bra no onfa Bible a ye kan enye hwehwemu mfama ho na oba wo sa ye bibiduro wo sa ye abibiduro a de wo hwehwe bia no Awurade be fa no so ama de wo pe won sa ye den aka eto wo se prophet Joseph Mensah Bible akwapa no kwafo me de minimum problem but we no any problem awo say diabetes say ye kwashioko say ye HIV say ye hwan yade bu o ma sebi e bia na nya hunama ni yade ne bia na esunsumu yade oba what the Bible and a behwehwem amount me patcho ma me fa ne number emaw na efre Joseph Mensah na ba bia wo na sue ni bi wo e friend say Accra eye amasaman ono ofre na obeboa wo nkokọ sanso na sue ni bi e wo Kumasi eye etmetim Kumasi etmetim me patcho ma me fra osam no we me ma no we na efre na omoncho the rare location everywhere is the worst maybe o me patcho friend number we 055 44 77 959 050 46 04 122 050 46 04 122 me patcho Fred Joseph Mensah Bible akwapa no kwafo ono pe ne betimi de Bible aye hwehwemu wo Ghana ha ade amaw nice one many amedi ka cho se me mfa ade a sebi enye papa emra wo me platform so etini hospital bi e wo Ghana ha eye Dime Diagnostical Center eni kasem se doctor a woda eye hospital ya no Dr. Marina Boyoba a wosaye brodi fita mame ebia na stroke hypertension but ade ba ko a me gina so pi na makatche o se ba bia wo a meta ka me brofo se everywhere is a worse wa wo fibroid yade bia eya a ewo maso a enu kretimi ma wawo etwa odi agro wontimi wo na eba anadwo ana eba awia sebi emu oyaye eti omode ne se ani kasema meti ye kura ye me se ye ma waduro abra ye mfase kan ye den enkan me patcho abrochie kuro ba bia wo mesese no man na wo screen so no me patcho obefa e wo WhatsApp ene wo monkasa se wo US wo Canada se wo France se wo hefa me patcho ofra mo de ado ne be bebro abra wo fibroid doctor nye operation nanso o fibroid ne be dey ebeko me patcho e 020 06 4959 0200 06 4959 0557 269 598 me patcho ofre wo mo ana se ono mo kasa o fibroid ne de etuo betwa enu tina me kanfo no aggressive interview so ama me o ma so masene na mom me pese o so hwe na wa de comment ba hospital no ebi wo takrade ebi wo Kumasi ebi wo Tamale na ebi wo so won kan ti wo frɛ no mana ye be kire oba bia ewo me ba cho me mfa yade ni agro na yare de ehu ba me nu adofo na me ka wo se wona waso masene de bia meka eye Dominion Herbal Powder Dominion Herbal Powder Dominion Herbal Powder the powerful ebibiduro with the whole world is powerful. Me can say as I grow in a midi. There be a make catch any part that any awo share me say kwakum no sebi. Say platform you so away. I didn't nya papa men kan for ma. Na momo no One a wahwe wanom Dominion herbal powder ne de omo kanfo na omo di ho adanse obi benya wa na efiri yade baabi a wo everywhere you are was me pacho wo here Dominion herbal powder wo de efasifie ne twante seti anopa twanti anwumre me pacho tem de hiansa wa atreketo abako wa wo say yes wa poso ye wo ja ebu ma wa wo tinka sese de honam si bi twetwe wo no wo se stroke nya we be chew mesrew wo here Dominion herbal powder obu ma ye ka ne say no asa agro wo high pressure kum etimi hawa na wo si obi a wo high na no kum wo se mamko ada akoko me ho ahwe na kum na low ni susu de ebe low say ase miti abonsam so nyom no miti abonsam so bon say me huruma akosoro na bu ma ba kui wase anwumi na mre afi kam to hye ho memma pressure mekun abra Dominion herbal powder wo ho mesire maame papa maame ode hye ba wo hene ba kwakuma no mekanfo Dominion herbal powder na amawo obi a stroke won se stroke pese chi obi na stroke achew ana achew obi mani Dominion herbal powder obo se change aiden aba na brabom me pacho diabetes ne ho keka ho nyina no wo de wo na onim yade kura wo yade wo hia Dominion herbal powder eye 05 43 15 81 95 0543 15 81 95 eye Dominion herbal powder numbi na bechew because wa kanfo de ye na ama wo nipa wo heme Vical 20 wow eye from Joy Industries Vical 20 from Joy Industries from Joy Daddy asweye from Joy Industries I'm gonna do Joy ointment buy na ma bebre wo krom ya bedi adanse say said the Joy Daddy for power product ye gie no musade eye Vical 20 abay me pacho wose bra ne be boost system virus ibai yes before obi kura virus meet match na say low booster na say wo kura won yentimi boost na kan hu say before fever be chew no na yade a sebi ebet ahode ebetimi akotie fever no ewo fom enunti na fever achewo malaria enam se mo no ho aye den sin akode na be kotie yale nti ana malaria achewo say fever anu na medical catcher enti wo hia say onum Vical 20 na boost system no obi na ka say be boost energy bibiamu say yempem me na catcher don't try wa bedi ho adanse sa wo keka ho kra na nkeka me say wo de me pese me bobo yade din Vical 20 me patcho ma me fa no mai ma wo na efre no ma wo eye 0244 58 55 31 0244 58 55 31 and 0244 87 63 21 0244 87 63 21 anu ye Vical 20 mesro eye duro bia wo de wo ya abro akora no bi wo na osu ntimi keka ho no bi me se de me di ho adanse wo me platform so nyina no so so hwe ne sanje wa frɛ kwakuma no ne ka chense kwaku ye hie sika back I don't introduce any victim to you. This is the properties adverse commercial in my show Vical 20 powerful no man am the amount of friend from Joy Industries. I don't lie you, I'm love you from my bottom of my heart. I will come this drone this hospital for you. Next I will say yes. Kokuma no my yard na mon premier. Yenko ne yenko program.
I'm sorry, no, what is it? May driver Kokuma from meeting interviews or interview Kokuma that or interview Kokuma catch and say, oh, say, oh, my school, nim she, nim bearded. Oh, but that's not what I said. I said, yes, I heard you. That's not what you said. Presented me name the Hano. I said, now, Lewin is on air. What did they say, Lewin? So she stopped talking and I was listening to Lewin. And you can see Lewin was hurt. some no more crab no more come school no more form school sir yes nyame shrine enye one co school chese onye yide all those hey afi my basa me say oh me no work asana me di me brothers who fell why do you turn it you know I was so upset so nana ma go na say fresh station is see no more phone to air not clear your man so I called the station they put me on air I started talking me say me check the presenter and then they cut me off
say oh from
they just cut me off so I called my brother so the damage in there the guy has caused the damage already and he find ways and means to make peace with the brother say oh make peace that didn't cry me no fighter she said make peace somebody has obiako done me joke something so harmless and I said now I don't even the presenter was a guy but I don't remember who is that Wahame Pan I'm telling you yes he lied to you people now because it's a make us a moon school minimum fight I don't even have a fight with you guys I know you guys as brothers
yes
and I was messing with my brothers so why then do you go around to like obi mate oh no hey kwa saying no so you challenge was saying oh doesn't mean say you can also call that person kwasia or does it mean say you should go and say oh last predict if no afraid to mini kwasia because on me yes so the presenter is the one who took whatever I said up to Miami
and you know who so be by
is so be by say Lewin I realized his body language changed towards me yes let me host Bisake the concert but so many Lewin cuz I know what be before I say me electric
so there be so come on nye debim
thank you
obi one ko school there say bi I say Ghana na kwati say wa one ko school there na say okura there ye de wo ye hwe enye anu so kura there ye wrong
because if you are so muska
ayo mo man
ko
papa
simple then I mean school bozu do you know when I realize the school to some point guys waste of time yeah me secondary school my mates be brave I'm to ask I'm in Legon Bema message by the time maybe Legon I made national service I feel I hear mommy 200 cedis a month now my mate I'm to be anchor forward no I'm why your business within 4 years then invest here 4 years business within 4 years they do 2 cars 3 cars I feel me and my school me now I'm test camera
so there be comedy
no that
na say any comedy out there be
comedy me discover
our campus
yes I discovered the talent in campus first year but I was just developing on the side but I was not like a mainstream comedian make magic you know I was but when we school I felt I would be pushing to the main industry because Legon there now myself every show I was performing but like I'm saying say school no kept me away from doing business so when me go school now yeah go invest in your school your friend your brand name call and be kasa your mom call and motivation no about I'm in third year University of Ghana learn hard you can pass then you made some to trust no mo juma within 4 years I'm telling you so schools to some extent a banner making money and all of that so that true bechi maybe university me mate I'm going to invest I'm no motis kamame I'm telling you so all that perception about school what we need to let people learn is business.
O say Ghana you go school but you follow talent.
No, yeah, suit and tie too much.
Yeah, because for say, o ma me create me kase koye nurse mami. O timi kase koye doctor mami.
The personal wa man we mutu.
Ti asemi o. Wo akura ni nim de wo mu. Education na ye ka no, mpemfo ne ka no brofo kasa ba ye ntim brofo kasa ase. Sukwa ye koye ne set o hwan ni adade wo be kodu abrochire no. Ye ne set we nya adwuma bi.
I swear.
I just say we go school bro krom ko de usua nyina yi wura
I tell you
enti no ye tira akura de me hwa say na me pesini me papa hon ko wani na ko be ka chem say me bayi
anka o child actor
enti no as ye de me educate mo school nim e acting film
yes
football and but ye the education no ye education say ye book
no
enti Ghana ye ko school go ko be bira ko school a wo be say de wo ko school say wonyama osisi a ontimi wonim ye ba oba ready ayedai ama na I say Ghana driver license no ye hwe blue hwe ke no hwe ke kakaka no be hwe ke kitu abi wo hwe ke kitikit na wo na ma wo ke wo kwan na they say
American surgeon do madam for
I do
wa gym I don't say, look, Ghana doctor or say like only discuss the problem or the more problem in source, the origin, solution to the problem. Every time morning now, papa, my patient name Brass is the same problem. Oh, who be God? I say, is that what you are facing? I say, yes. So Ghana doctors, it's not trauma practicals, biome. Yes, because chew and porno, those who are hard. I'm telling you, if anything, you meet her now. If you go back to school, you're like, hey, we're better than a millionaire. Also, I feel quite when you're single room or thing.
Mobile money.
Yes.
So mobile money, I know. Or could school, I said, Pana make a chill.
Mobile money,
being mobile money, I'm an antanua. Or could school, quack. No, I my money away.
Till, so brought for Subino, diplomacy, suit and tie, one share uniform, only Jumapa. Oh, say nurse uniform, soldier uniform. You know, uniform. I'm the uniform not required. So business no anyhow. Nigeria say there's more. They are more business oriented. When it comes to Ghana, Asantis are more business oriented. If you only go Asante for oh. A bit on condom, bit on Kosia, bit on
school
in the school
business
raising money. Or the better guess here. Forget it.
Just go on.
Mema.
But I also so why a gentle one person.
Gentle when you so the sophistication. Oh boy, or the buff in your bed, you get.
Cause maybe
I didn't be pay. Who would mean to pizza?
Oh, then out. Let's go face the
So the thing was, me to be very honest, if you're offended by what that thing caused, I'm very, very sorry, but that is not how I said it.
Me a type beer, asem hamia. Na meti. Na be a make madwene na make madwene ma wie.
Right.
DK yesa besia, ya bobon koma mo be say akobi didi matem. Ono didi matem o shede didi matem because for me no be asem.
Right.
Odi matem ankasa. Boy no so kra no. Wo ye obi am respecting. Ma na anwene say ono de obeyesa.
Right.
But once one anwene respect ya meme woman no odwene sa akoda because of fame favor bi o pe free ne panche hwade o bibia happy wie no na me kopie ba bi a na onim se meba hobi wo hu me no na wo se hu ade na do am say oh champion na te say no say me ya boko onim okaka cho bi say let me kum nipa o sa na me ye no sa hante no
yes se ba no kai
kokuma no wo hu me akasa me
yes
ansa no kra o de chia me kra de wo de bibia ye mu na I say what do you
because I was so mafia no and one man
me bon come
and
that's kasa mo chire
yes
me junior brother kra
very good to be very honest during that time you know you didn't show me reaction you met me and you related normally so to me I was like okay maybe somebody explain what I did well to okay say maybe he understands but Lewe hurting me. I was talking to him like that.
I said no create class ne be shia Kofi set ne so.
Yes.
Enu achi.
Yeah, cry.
And be shia Kofi. Fire bon komo kama. Ye di enkomo a ye wie no bi akọ ne baby. Me kan po.
And no, it was
okay, Kofi then.
No, Kofi then before. Yes. Because based on those Kofi sets and I realized I first said you are my brother.
Okay.
I can say you get out.
I dey antis how can dey ante. Ye di krati ye no. Na se chechemu na di ka chechemu ma wi am. Na be ye. Say I say ye kumasefo. I say kumasefo. O say sant ade
I can't even say that.
Encranfo mu bi. I tell you see the word kumasefo no.
But is a big problem there already.
Yes. It kumasefo no sati kumasefo na. Ayatem didie kese ma kumase ni. Anu de kumase ni kase obeso so a. Papa ye yenso ye nyo. Hey, you bet ma anu akon style bia bi.
Wallahi.
I dey na besi.
There no be.
I dey kumase ni so be ka hire no. Otia.
Okoma bet. Me say le we too far me so me bo se ma me ho.
Oso we ni watemo.
No,
but you
disrespect me nicely.
Yes.
And then another time we met. Me jale me not share with I'm saying NGF representative on Yambi Chia. No, because like you know, someone even a Milabrobe or release.
No, says I knew so crown so fast and by.
Na me say I didn't know say I don't know. Abo afra e wo Kumaso no. Say obia or see yenko school. Ya bon okay. Me nim say chelo say amafo amake me. So it showed in Milabrobe too. What release on you obia esro. and I also did a video. Main video look at Mansell directly because
but
I know. Yes, I know what it entails.
If your video be as a tree
Oh,
I say you should word be say jam city. I say jam city na quite say I say me can be mal but not me chill.
And correct.
Me can be amawo.
Yes.
But who cried in it me kum nipa.
Oh yeah.
Oh who didn't kum nipa?
No.
Oh let me hear. Who can the dead and nipa na kuma to ne yema.
No, I want
to na so na nipa ne se dia manage yen nyina na wa drop ni nyina afi ni mo.
At least my boy. Because bro, my recording him that
we dey nipa DKB.
The place I grew up no. And Charlie, bro, colleague go no. We need bed by force. Oh, colleague go the whole tough. Oh, tough. Akola be bo. There was no more near there.
I said, why was we are don't be we say. Oh, ukoye we nyina ba pe. Na sa boa no. Na man force ada be pim bunan. Na on so to them house. Kofo mo time you. But
they don't understand me. Look, that presenter Wahame Pam. I'm telling you, if this is an opportunity, it's when you go to your commercial folks, let them know so presenter no NGFM presenter na SSN no. That is it's Love FM, almost sister station NGFM, right? Very good. In the Emilia, the video no, all I said was Kumaisi main musician shata wale Stonebwoy na adekwa I'm release this video okra am for Bogu Masaya ya so I say then how much more wow movie mo have na movie called music challenge omo easy sir because around that time I think they had increased some prices of some things Kuma hot na make cars and I made so make a crowd and so even though people are laughing at you me I'll give you 85% for 75 I think so I'll give you this amount because you've done well because I recorded the song. Remember, while I recorded it, I can't say baby copy chibi. Easy. So I appreciated it and I said, I give you the 5% for a good attempt your first time. Just in the engineering, no papa, now baby I find. That's Emilia. No one in that. It was just for fun. Emilia probably being interviewed by the Dusty. All emotional. They keep being sorted here. I'm unfortunate. Oh, she on what she but Nippon so okay, the money here, they keep me a year no pot. Say no share video no poye.
Except what the kind you paint in your one.
That mean you'll be.
Oh, there be why you paint until you know one. You will now cause say Emilia kwa ya de. Uncle Henu uncle. So what to say DKB didn't at them one. Once uncle he.
Okay, Ampa. Okay, I get it now.
So
no share. So yeah. I didn't even saw this guy. Why? He insult me poto and all of that. Although the enemy Japan and I'm this my share video na DKB here no. 1 year. Oh, and the jai oh yemi. Oh yemi. Hey. And this are you serious? No, I'm going to rate you higher. No, me sure. No, boy. So Andy went on Instagram, played the video live on Hits FM. And not TBB clear said, man, you know. I actually encouraged her. Now me man 85%. As a sister Charlie, now she has to find fault. As I say, and Andy say, so say he didn't insult you. How could you say he insult you? Or no puna, or you'll be original outside. As Emilia say, by 85% no man, no, or the roaming, and 85. Because the mind has been made up already from that energy FM. Was that the Nyambi Tran Kappa? I'm telling you. But when you say very honest,
DKB, asem show.
Bosu, asema one can, or that's not how you meant it. You translate it to a different meaning.
Because when you say asem show, they say, yeah, my Jerry's wife, Ebeka asem say, o comedy, o kokase
be boring.
Yeah, and you say we be soon now social media.
Okay.
Ada we oba.
No. Bro,
baby say utimi ya we too much. We oba. Be ma tintin kese te say o.
Me say if I just say
I didn't know yes sir.
Oh, I didn't do that.
You do that.
I got emotional.
You emotional sweet. You emotional like a cry.
Emotional sweet.
Yes.
Emotional like a cry.
Yeah. Oh sir. Who be sweet?
Bozu, they are a family.
Yeah.
A team. Do you know why? Kuledu never said that.
Yeah. One cancer.
Never.
We are sure.
Yes. Obi on graphic showbiz all time. You find Jane Owu. Oh no, yes,
we are sure.
Yes. That's me. I've always been blasting graphic showbiz on every platform I go. Why haven't they come at me? She didn't grant that interview. Kuledu wanted to prove to me that she didn't do it because on a presidential flag bearer for a political party. She's a leader. She's a mother. How can she break the faith of a youthful person? So Kunedu to prove to me that she never did that and she would never do that. She made me perform at her 70th birthday party and she paid me.
On the sooner we soon
forget it.
And I'm so I
buy bonsa.
Menya bonsa. We soon yen. No, and my minu who say won't say what you might. Or bad
no.
Who soon the come, Mamma Kuma? Mammy,
okay.
Sooner we soon
on a radio interview. On a radio interview. And now, yeah, mammy, Nana could say almost for evidence of interview no guarantee and umbra. They couldn't produce it.
Tama we soon nechi.
No. Was at first I hate him, I'm like, I would say, yeah, me do a tiny day, does mommy, cool. Till I realized, I listened to the interview. Because I had calls. Yo, Kunedu just spoke on Live FM. I was telling she never said that, she never got to the interview. I'm saying, Kunedu never got to the interview. I'm saying, yeah, she never got to the interview. I'm saying, so, Bonnie Ben Amaye Nipa, Ude, such a high person, doing, ebe gumi no more, like, I want to break him. And then, some people I also trusted were happy about that story. So, those two things must not break me. I'm a human being. I'll break at a certain point. People who I trusted, people I fight for, were happy. They're my easy. To be a leader in this country, your own people will bite you.
And I'll be soon on social media.
No, I didn't cry on social media. I tried. For a video in the brain. So it was TV3 on the interview me. So at that time, I'm swinging and Cassiano. And no, TV3 the year story, so they keep it breaks down in tears because. One, when I got to know, said Kunedu didn't grant that interview, and two, the people I trusted betrayed me. They were happy, so I felt say, why? Then am I? Then what have I done to people? You know, because the thing is, the people who Nigeria comedy, but foreign comedians, ban ninja who say me push for Ghana comedy agenda. So they are finding ways and me because if they break me. They have nobody attacking them for bringing foreigners.
No, so Ben
it's business because all the foreigner neighbor no. Obenya sponsorship musika. Foreigner no scanner order from sponsor no hono. Obet maji I want to perform in the same amount. They get, you get big money.
Now say but they okay say be do they be a make sense to the sense it
does.
Say Ghana we a comedian. Na say your comedians big best 10 will come here. See a now crown called Nigerian coffee.
How would I make it? Yeah, how my agenda was to make the 10 big comedians no in Ghana. That was my aim because no attention was paid to Ghana comedians. No attention. When I'm talking Ghana comedians, I'm talking stand up, not with comic acting. Yes, stand up. No attention to nothing. So my aim is to lift them to that level. And it wasn't easy because the system was programmed for foreign comedy. And I didn't understand what the foreign comedians say, but I said, yes, what the foreign comedians say, but you are making money off it. But develop your own country people. But because foreigner and the MOSCA say, go and protect foreign comedy and destroy your own, you were doing it. Why am I saying so? The foreign comedians, somebody on mobile, Obeji sponsorship car for accommodation, hotel. Obeji sponsorship car for flights. Obeji sponsorship for welfare, journey. No, I just sponsorship for one other thing, transport. Or just sponsorship scanner. I just cannot. No, I call airline honor. No, I call them free sponsorship. I fly in the panel. Okay. Because I promote you. No, I call Onya hotel rooms free because you promote the hotel. Obenya lounges, restaurant to give food free. No, I keep it says cano. I transport when your car renter, I'm a car free. No, I keep it says cano. So after keeping those monies, say $15,000 not year. No, I'm a foreign comedian. No, $5,000. Then they keep the $10,000. Because you, the company, no, you don't have access to the foreign comedian to go ask him, say, you're my $15,000 for any amount. You don't have the access. Now, flip to Ghana comedians. So this is how they were not seeing the business aspect, business aspect of allowing Ghana comedy go. Now Ghana comedians no more. Who do your flights come on? Who your accommodations come on?
Say we are serious no more flower on family.
Samu.
Send you
two bedroom. Two bedroom.
Kumasi. Obetuma ko she Kumasi. Obetuma ko fence sunyane techimai. Na ya kawaba.
So how can I help? Me te akra ho. But show me. No ma ko sheku ma. Me afra me aba.
Set the producer
Yeah,
open.
Yeah, comedy. Bro, let me tell you.
But Ghana no ankasa de o ka no, me no ya adwene 100%. Yem pese yem kofo ankasa ye ti kuro mi ha no. Ebi mu empe se nipa beko.
It's bad. Only after they destroyed us for the foreigner no, it got to a point after who nipa now say him for foreigner no. Foreigner no when you juma biom.
For be show.
Yes, he came to look for us and we did a show for him.
And we be ya na ye.
Nobody knows.
E Ghana yade because Blaster ye Fabio ni e betwe nsika. Kese. By fa local coach.
And your man's asking money. Half of that money cry you complain.
Who say the half? And your quarter no kwase be ya nsa be kakra no. I'm suicide problem.
I'm telling you, boss.
E yade a o man no ye yale e wo sa no man.
Yes, pa.
Ye pa hoho ye mpekuru mafia.
Yes. So me, my aim was I will force my people to like my people. I don't care if I become the enemy, but sometimes, even though you don't care becoming the enemy, punches go a while, boss. Will be soon. Like the Konedu story, you know. Konedu story breaking me.
Breaking on.
We were breaking because the people, some of the people I was fighting for were happy.
And that's what they break you.
Oh, so trying to soon.
But when they usu,
yeah.
So we are
because it was public shame.
Yes, see, o comedy nyade.
See comedy nyade me feel me hear me you see. Former first lady see o comedy nyade brand which will break down and leave.
President be so be show what the won kwa dey be show. Say DK comedy nyade.
How we no put the picture the bia say event saying Bentwa FM cry you soon.
And ye fa ne say yakasa semo na mframam nipa nyina ate.
Yes.
Aye there wo mu ana show buy upon the mama ne be kan say wo kan so wan kan. O first time was had ko gina platform so aye bibi no say na feel.
Yeah, so as a comedian no any issue that happens to you your next platform I will say was through home.
Nice one.
Once through one even though perform I'm for sure say indeed assemble ekosi saying about it will be lingering in their mind. Okay. I'll start here I'll through home we are. Okay. Oh okay so I didn't cry any personal sir. Okay. That's the trick you use. Yeah, that's the trick you use.
Why you grow why you na ma ye nkofo de. You grow na wa just so hey. That's also akwan crazy akwan me pass some corner.
I didn't know headmaster my job.
But there I didn't know so.
Jai.
Dabi o. Akwa bi dia bro wo kumase. Omo se na no so ba me hwe na no so so. But say wuti so a. Me hu se na na mama abra ka se hwe meti. Ase wudi wo kon abesi ni ti so. But wo hwe na na mati a anya nkurati. Enso wo sinti. But because say we say na mo say wuti so. We say no. Say be face. Who face me am say dem hu na. Who see
side view.
E ten as a ball. Wuti say wanti. Wuti say wanti.
Wuti say Bolare middleweight.
Bola dia no so
we watch three compartments.
We asem. We apartment. Hey, we anu kasa yo. Me the bola apartment. Hey, Dabi o.
What
me can dey.
Okay.
Me say
is it three compartments?
Was me can.
See, I'm so happy when you told me say, "Hey, DKB, YouTube is Charlie." Aggressivity you do so. I'm going to speak to the Kumasi people for them to know say is any bozo me a Christian me Mbodua. But then in JFM guy no kwa no gami bisa Antwerp price. Bozo
Antwerp dey free o.
Sir
Okodani na ka.
No gami ndani.
Ubetimi abodua ni free. Obi anyohwe. Na de kone kwan fa so da na edua no.
No dua no die.
Kono wo free ni free na ho de okoda ne dia. Anu e bla obetua. Na
ono me de ndani mabbo ne dua na obia Nkumase wo se asem na okan no. Enye sa na
kwa dua de odba hwe ho. Ande ne fudu ade a. Oba be hwe ne ye de akọ. Na no mom na ye ombehuro no. Ombedi na chidi ya waso ne ti. Na kromo omre wafo no. Edi na chi huro no. Onko hu me se ye da ne wiada ho. Eye fani keke. Ye de wo pie na mama me fo pefo obetua sika ma wo mo na ye mudi wachi ehuro na mo de nwum bi di wachi se ade a na bosom no abia edi be jao na ya boma ba ye ya mamra kotwitwa de be nese no ano
Oh, any of them
interesting pa.
Oh,
immediate program. They be able to car from Accra akoko hedu aba ye dan. Because na be ma na fu advance no de akire.
Yeah. Upa mandate.
O de. O de stars afa won akoda ni dua ye de ya wa so. Eno no bi so ma wo. Wow, that's how I minister kra wow. Yeah. I don't interesting say.
Wow.
But he say, "Udi agona ade ni di omoche. Udi akwakwa e dane kura na wa hwa wo ha no wo." Eti eche wo say aduabona ye fast.
For bug distribution.
Yeah, fast.
So what's the hotline?
We need spiritual father bia na mother bia obetime wo catch us say ayabodua na bia akwankyere bia de adane no. Abia ya se no ama wana say ya sere wo nyame ho ama wa je wo de papa. Wasubeshi.
Hey.
Wasubeshi.
Oh, they was say one also invite me na me check you out.
But here kokura no.
Yes.
This here ye wie.
Right.
Ye wie bibia. De bia meka say wa na ukretin tokwa ma.
Oh, Charlie.
Wa na ukretin tokwa. E ma watamfo dos. Ye nyere watamfo. Na wo de wo sheda timi ko. Me se wo ni tamfo a. Wuti wiase na wo ni tamfo akopa bi. Because nipa wotan wo and a more hard work, but more sit down, more talker, more some pub one atade she some system. What time fool, and a mamma would do back school, papa. No more do the beer. DK beat me had a cretin at tough. Shatawale, this stone boy, and I got you. I found me. But what me, yam, you say, me was shut off. Hey, what you quite 20 pound and come. Hey, shut in the program. Una be MC agidi say Saturday me dis obi ye na adwo so be MC an obekum ni pa no eho but the kid be MC ekutia kura wo be bom wo pass ado we be ni pa ye bom pa ye ma wo kura no asa wo ye ho pon
guy yes silent
okay sir oh me me silent you
me mbo ekutia
let me follow
okay so there's
Saturday birthday wo di pa kutia Ekuta ba na sponsor program. Ekuta ba na sponsor.
Ma ekuta ba.
But we na sponsor.
First allegation.
Eni wo kura wo di be hwe obi no. Hey, Shata wo na wo do birthday obi ntimi ni birthday say. Ni nyere kasa kwa.
Hype.
Wa.
Sa ze na ka ekuta no. Rain concert, huge concert, Fantasy Dome. Say journalist be one or marking me words. Hey, Charlie. To so him say no platform no so dear. By all means, me sleepy bibia obetim dia news. Enti colleague no ye what say make say obi no be terms no be for different meaning from it. Okay. The Enije Evenga was the first one. This is the second one that happened. Enti na Shatawale ka about say oka alumi chain no one which Sarkodie used to this thing. Oka alumi chain I deliberately kept quiet on the stage. From the alumi chain no oka say industry for the binom say to me show no binom am so in polygonal balance in polygonal language no you can so I am so am like trust the fear
one okay
oh yes
one okay
yes because it's a polygonal term say the industry people who are saying say
but you so ye hwe no de enim say sa ba bi
na no mpo no to
okay
why are you the rash
open to
aggressive interview
and to go fa hoje kododo Obama ira bompa ya bread.
Oh yeah, so because I knew somehow somebody's marking me somewhere to use something I will say against Homeboy or Shatta because that not beef me hot. What? Into all kind of this my change alumi. This man kasa. And then he moved on to say industry force say want to be show. So forget tomorrow, man. Saw me cry, which is forget your money trust the cry. Yeah, una dey. Omo fear, una dey. Obi ba na mo spreading news say mo kan shaman for teams o timi nyesho man nye. We about some. To the trust. I know there. Colleague no tell. I know your board here din. Otutu fam.
Ati Shatta one news to boy. Omo ni trusting.
That on tiase.
Maybe that tiase. Say no obi so tiase wo fie. The obi so tiase wo fie.
Oh, obi tiase there me kai office me boss be me visiting na the same issue I say Uber driver be on the car Uber driver be push there woman be say sky near blue about that man sky green way blue yes me to me that phone mystery and there's this picture of Shubi I don't know who gray I don't know who bluish light blue and the chair say color near ben color ben so we gray so ki ono who blue but you don't call the office on. This is a media house. Media house on no more. What color is this? Maybe I should gray. This is light blue. One of the guys, I think it's pink.
Who are they pink?
Pink. And a boss there. So you call office. So we went to the office and say, guy don't want the pink, you know. How different do you see him? So Usher spectacles. And they need a 4. It also GD say, even though they need a 4, only pink, and it must stay pink.
Okay.
So that's how people see things.
Okay.
So, okay, industry phone. I know say it was not directed at one particular person.
That's.
I'm saying,
the industries.
Yes. Wow, time I will say, on to me show. Yeah, you are supposed to motivate your brother to do a show.
Okay.
And it's all over show now. Say, on to me, yeah. And they only trust it. And they are correct. And they stand by it. So any industry person, you need to say, "Men America say Shatawale into me show, no into me show," and they only trust it. And I'll stand by it.
Okay.
But I made sure I didn't stand in the way of Sarkodie. Only said that blogger be war audience no. Because how many trust not done and say they can be insult Sarkodie's mother on Shatawale stage.
I think one car only trust na kayede.
And now. Me crying so na one sister na na.
And I'm saying one council so na ye.
And no so sister na ye.
Oh, who kra no bonsam. Who na ye bonsam? Oh, ani.
And because my bonsam no does in chest me bonsam.
Enti men koka.
Na internet no so best no.
Oh, who na koka yo?
Internet no so.
So one kan. Won ye dwuma nye.
That made you one so be bonsam.
Ye dwuma no.
Ah.
So you blogger.
It on him.
Eto no ti oto na dwuni nyina no. Sebi mo metwa ne ka o.
But no, it's different, Nebo. It's different when
Unsa papa na unsa asem ya wo kan say wo kire say wo se wo hu ne pink no.
I no.
Obi te wo wasem na se papa ne kan wasem.
Yes.
Obi te wo wasem no wo adwene a wo de kan ye ne ka good adwene papa.
Yes.
Sa de ntina wo nua ba ye program. Ne mo di adwene fin hye wo tin say ontimi nye. Na wo de word be hye ho.
Yes.
Anu de nka ye.
Yes.
But the wo dwene ho no wan sa anwene ama afoforo.
No, me dwene pepe unim anka tam no ka say he say my TV alumi and I make say omuni chance there I would have been
to Sarkodie.
Yes. But I made sure at that point when he was making reference to Sarkodie, I kept quiet.
Okay.
And no ba industry for almost
industry for the bidin why.
Oh, I don't
know. Who they bidin why? Who they bobo industry for?
No.
E bidin why?
No, they know themselves. I know they.
Okay, who they say industry
do anybody at that time who said Shatawale can do that show? Okay, so I don't know.
Obi so kura nim say no time show no.
Oh,
me a fan. But me say obi a industry player.
Right.
Shatawale one fan. Sarkodie one. Omo mo di na chi. Enti obi wo kura bi kura pa na Stonebwoy kura ye expect say e bi kura what time say Satan to me ni sa program e bi kura na ni na adwum sa. Ti asema me kan yo. Yen fa ne sa because yen nyina obi a Stonebwoy magina abonten ka say Satan program wo ye no ompe.
Oh.
Enti yen ti me metu ma ye ni evidence.
Right.
But ekoba so mo ni twase ne. Obi foforo so wa kire hu say e Stonebwoy na wudi natem. Wo so wa mark de ama. Ampa so ye kofa na no de ne de besie ni so so ne na besie pepepe say oh ampa ade o mini twase. E fa to de mi krat ma say. It's do de bia e be ma omo obi taw dada ya jetum. But one ma watamfo na nia o ma na dwuma
because of say I made that statement towards people who hate Shatawale, not Sarkodie, because Sarkodie himself was in support of the show. Yes. Okay, this one.
Now what did mama atem? What's one yade?
No, man didn't mama atem. Or no one says man no chances and I'm a kind. Inti maybe you show now. Story been a fly. Story been BKB assault Sarkodie's mother's vagina. What kind of nonsense is this? I do it because one
was Sarkodie mama either.
I know I want to. How? Where? Because I. So I'm like
hey, now the
whole time to January.
Hey, that be na start kese mama say now the ne ban number. When who cry da cry na who di tene.
Who was the man?
Debi.
Yeah, the best who was the man. Why are you stretching? Why are you expanding? Who was the man? Aggressive.
Hey, type bay. Mami who
strawberry.
Nipa nyo.
Who now?
Me mama dware me na hwe ho yetu. Me master bia nkom fi abra. Me mama dware. Amfa camera nkotete da bi. Ade be tele da bontin.
Producer, oh bro, you're dealing with this trouble.
Are you serious?
Boss, I was hurt. I said, how do I insult? How do I even do that? When I have my career at stake, when on stage, I made sure I didn't veer towards anything Sarkodie. why would you write such a story? Hey, and I saw who wrote it. Mankasa, our mom for a year me fine. I did an apology video sent to Sarkodie. He didn't retweet it. He didn't share it. No problem. They're calling sort no cover. Some people got to understand. Only maybe is the Ghana people. Omo take Ghana, like the people who stay in Accra, Ghana, and in California, understood. Say that's in the American. It has nothing to do with Sarkodie. What it has to do is with people who say they can do the show. They are the ones I'm attacking. It has got nothing to do with Sarkodie. Oh, forget the blogger. But many more people who since Oma Bomia to what pay the day against me, no, they were still holding on to it. I've been sorted Sarkodie. They don't even want to watch the video. I'm so okay, no problem. Enjoy. Have lunch with it. So Sarkodie himself, when I did the video and I tagged him and I mentioned him, I decided to humble myself because the statement I made is for something else. But it's only the Ghana people who understand. So publicly, let me just humble myself and take it as it has happened. I didn't do it, but let me apologize to him. Sarkodie didn't share the video, he didn't pass a comment, nothing. Fine. And then I said, no, I really want this guy to know, say, it's not about him, nothing. This blogger, I'll deal with him on another time. In the Sarkodie now, I composed a tweet, apologizing the tweet, and I say, it has nothing to do with you. I will never disrespect your mom. So I'm very sorry, deep down my heart. Let me send a tweet. Me send this tweet. Me send a tweet now. I don't know what happened. He was not online. Me send a tweet, waiting for response like 30 minutes. No response. More I say, only about online. And he was interacting with his fans. But he ignored my tweet totally. I'm saying, hey. And maybe I went home. Twitter, there's a way I'll be to my neighbor home. Obe retweet it. Into retweet it, I must have my notification. I must have retweet it. Me retweet it and he still kept chatting with his fans. I said, oh, Chalonia, at least just acknowledge for people to know. Say that's not what I mean. Somebody is filming, not why nothing. To be seen in your film. No, oh, we talk. But it's when we meet at programs. Oh no, he doesn't pick anybody's calls. Oh no, he cuts conversation with everybody. So that's his style. But I was I'm saying, oh, at least I could acknowledge, say, Charlie, no problem, I understand. Bloggers want to eat. Nothing. And then his fans notice, say, Dick has sent an apology to Sarkodie. He has ignored, but he's responding to us. Then they now used it to insult me. Because you see, they apologize to Sarkodie, you see, King Sark no demand you. You see, they mind me, the fans, they mind you, because you know, get saying, you fool, stupid. So, Sarkodie, we you name having fans, oh, my brain was Ghana. Me Twitter, you come in, call 2 days. I'm so pa. Bro, only if I mean it, if I mean what I say, I will stand by it. But what's someone know? But yes, I know that. We kill. We kill a crowd with you. Forget it. We are Rambo. Yes, someone know still we are Rambo. Forget. Baba, no. Do I know ye Ghana? You know me here fucking. Say best someone know. Like me can say. See a bomb say a year. Nana. Who say social media soon and yet tenacity. What me tell you about uncle phone for seconds. Who hate TV now say her phone. Who your party crowd who phone. Obako Instagram or now ye da ho. Say chere ma me ko YouTube. Ho crowd and na say. Who see who free akọ WhatsApp. Obi crowd na bet. Obi na be ko twa. Or their WhatsApp. Say who ye. I say who see won ko okay. Who ha na phone na belly. Oh, who na won ko social media. Yeah. So why? What? So the was who brepa. I didn't. Oh my metiasi. Oh, just there. I don't know, mama. Me try with need the amount one fan was supposed to have say black. Who you correct? Say that man need you. Wow. Hey, I'm a blogger no. Wa friend me. Blogger be. I'll show you his name. Oh, there be blogger be. But only ever since that time, I made a conscious effort say, me mboni didn't say or no. But to blogger, oh yeah, day, oh. Okay. Obana Bema. Oh, okay. A friend me. What in inside bay? I don't know where he stays. Okay. A friend me. One person will interview me for this show. He said, who exactly is this? No, they don't know my friend. And also, me say, who say, why? Oh, me na me hear a story about Osaka. Can you imagine? I'm saying, who say timing? Oh yeah, the Sarkodie story say, oh yeah, no man, no. I'm the one say kind fix na cho say there show be Juma. Hey, who ye Juma? Why say me dey who ye Juma? Who open interview? Oh, boss, what I say with the normal story. I forget who check how me almost 1 million views. Why? Who the man do? Hey, bro. I'm so do I film the interview me now say some no do all that with them me I come Jimmy and I hang up. And one know some friend me. Oh, tell us some interview building. Who this? No, I can't blame me. That make some stories I only practice according. Yo. Say only so Sunday be and I message me say on here me mbo apa so yes some groundbreaking TV content say. I'm say bro
say dino we dino to former and can no be
yeah last why oh so I feel okay me ba let me see me save the days I call the story oh
e dey adena no
member the din patch oh
yeah
yes only that's him
wow show
so when we die
o come share dan ho
yes so sometime we had a I feel no pamacho.
Yeah.
Or say, hey.
Oh.
Me. So you know what I did? I feel anybody who insult me concerning Sarkodie story, no, even years after, no, I screenshot and I send him.
Okay.
That me send him, no. So Sarkodie won't give you exposure. I didn't insult them. DKB, I just destroying the image of God because when you went to Tamale, they insult people's mother's private part, all of that. Now me sending and say, this is just a few.
Okay.
Oh, bro, sorry. Yeah?
Okay.
I'm saying, check his profile. I saw Sarkodie Black Love. Obisu hear me. Me hear me video me dey me home. Obisu say, I love you cause of Sarkodie and was booking out when I saw your utterance you made at Rain concert time. But I saw that you are shocking, whatever. I say, oh, I'm saying I get it every day, man. You have really damaged my reputation. I told him. And I say I did a video. I mean, Papa Sly. Papa Sly say, "I bored with US. Any beef?
Yeah.
Any beef?"
Papa Sly.
And I say, "Hello, you meet your meter." I'm say, "This is all you know." And also, should I give you video headline? I hope you know go ball, cause you like you go trend well.
That's a sin, I know.
Yeah. Oh, so Sunday be catch me say, Nima me be saying say, did DKB really say that? And I say they did. DKB didn't say that. And I say Nima say on me pamicho. Okay, so now look at the patch that be extra too much.
To offer there.
Oh, okay, so the other be appeasing me and to let the people who are holding me to that story know say that's not what he meant. No, I will show him that thing. What he has to be. Then yeah, me pet time my channel package I was all here.
And to what stay now man package no.
Me man package no. He apologize. Say ne mama say it's a curse. Say I did being kind.
Yes,
I'm a general. They've crucified him publicly. Well, he told me all of that. I'm going to say, oh, don't worry. The right time, I will show you what you have to do.
Okay.
Yes.
I just say, man, consumer and cranfoni. Yes, I also say, Minia,
Bema,
they did kind of medawasi.
Thank you.
Say, you didn't come be 1 hour 30 minutes.
I tell you,
I want some the doors.
Oh, Charlie.
I want some the doors. You can't see you did made the better 3 hours in common. Because they be a controversial. Net two be DH. Oh, see, I can't for me. We say taste your two. We need to two.
Only that time.
When I friends say,
I boss you put up or be choose a two over Yame. Or not call hello. We need to burn you. Who's someone motivation? Yeah, honestly, yeah. What kind of cry? Yeah, no cry. Yeah,
no cry. The man call heavy no.
Die
because what me I can.
Oh, me protesting.
I didn't Yamin penetrate for.
I didn't mean penulo. Change me respect kaka.
Oh, that you at all. None of the boom my home. Can I cost you? At waka. Oh, what you say? Me say, ah, kuku no one want to mama me say. Na only we be say question of breaking or so say. Open it here. Thank you. Then try to catch our fans a tier for near Sheffield. I say, I don't mean Sana out here.
Right.
TM Fausa.
No. Patrol, be a bit every day can be honey now. With the brand page, never share in chassis a womb because amount for permanent sapa in the negative direction because or me negative no the story na a fact.
Okay.
Because then make a beginning is a Ghana no it's two sides. Side of your door and side of your town. So what side of your town? There be bia and your mofe. The same way omudowa there be bia mofe even if we are born. So beginning almost say my bonnet say my come with the brand page na be who meaning no because that is not how it is. Like for instance, energy from Ghana or some Chale. It's just it's just so whatever you hear about DK, you know, you just come to my page. Mostly I try to send me the explanation no better so that people will know say this and this and this is what I meant because bloggers and journalists need be know so. I'm not saying you're more dead. Especially DKB Shatawale, Schwarzenegger when they say all those controversial when the shade says Ghanaians don't have sense. Yes.
Pushing page, you know.
Now, what's I famous? Open a million for the story. Who might be 1 million views? And I met you on the camera. So, follow DKB. DKB, Twitter, DKB Ghana, Facebook, DKB Ghana, Instagram, DKB Ghana, mobile money, DKB Ghana.
And the who here, pa?
Bema.
And the who here,
pa? Me say, who was going to say, send mobile money abroad?
Mobile money. I know me to me. Then me through account to my car. Well, it's my car and I had you.
Who said now? Oh, my the network in the car.
I can't buy a car.
I tell you. Nice one. Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Nyamisha bebre. So amani pa bebre so adwuma ho se o wampa se ne koyeye ntino yate wase e wo baby ti nyamisha papa.
Amen.
Minu adofo me da se waje bre na wo hwe aggressive interview. We Moscow scantan engragaga aggressive. We Moscow scantan engragaga aggressive interview everywhere is a worse. It can come aggressive and as you be din komo betwetwe komo e aggressive interview so nyame nhira so nya bre na hwe me da si bebre wo hwe mesia na mani age 2021 yeguso ayeye adwuma me pa twhwe ho so ye wate ma vada better me spiritual mother mama ye mama devim mama yayi mama hofe mama de chia ma wo ba bia wo bia mama me too so for fifi so for god so for abedi me de chia ma so for kwame me de chia ma mo nyina that is ame ma vada ku nyame hira awa na gina kire wotwa oboba village ma me de chia kase ma Abbas Sadiki the king of Langard me de chia kase ma wo bia wo bia wa kra nyame bless so me frobo ase ahanso nyodia ekuro bia wo mu a wo hwe me everywhere is a was yankopon bless no hira I love you I kiss you we am taste bye bye.